Welcome to qnawire.
Our question is: a driver of a car traveling with a speed 30 meters per second towards a hill sounds a horn of frequency 600 Hz. If the velocity of sound in the air is this 330 meters per second, the frequency of reflected sound as heard by the driver is. As frequency is equals to f dash is v over v minus vs into n. Putting the values, this is 330 divided by 330 minus 30 into 600. N dash will be 660 Hz. Now the second frequency we heard is written as V plus V1 over V into N dash. That is 330 plus 30 over 300 into N is 660. N dash is 660. We get 720 Hz. That is the option B in the question. Thank you.